Yeah. Yeah, brother T. I tell us out there, man. Right now, I tell us our ID we have to carry go over this to get one little package.
Over school?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Boy, I tell us that nothing good. I tell us that you I worse look at thing. But as I say, right now, yeah, Cocomana. Yeah. But there, man, they say, just there they go and easy back. And they walk through. As I can see, places are about pure dirt. Pure dirt. So, me there, they go on. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, you see all over school. You see thing. Yeah, man. This is when the 2 graders class, right? That's it.
Blow down, gone.
You not blow down, you mash down. Mash real.
Gone, so good.
Either the fence, stay down the river, run through the school, and pop off the wall of your son. Yeah, man. And see the most odd shop here. This is the oddest shop in the catching off in the school picnic. Blingers. No roof, no stall, nothing. The yard clean sweep. Yeah. Yeah, man, I just say there, man. Yeah, man, right now, Mr. Man.
Yo.
The whole place musky. Cause right now, I want to come pull out some of them things here, but boy, I make them know, but man get none. But as I say, we are look some help, you know, real help. My number 517 98 68 98 68 517. Right now, anything that go on, I like for you, I'm gonna give you a helping hand. See the whole of catching all people, them furniture, everything wash out. I mean the water was.
Yeah, Kevin.
Alright, example. See that wall, the water higher as well as zero them start higher than that. Yeah. Strong man house wash out. Look how high is the garbage. Yeah. This then carry a wash, then wash they come in. Yeah. You see it? Fully! All this yes sir, what do do something for me now? All that shop top here. Blow off, coconut tree drop down. May I tell you, it's so bad. But the night is a night that nobody can figure it. Yeah. Nobody can figure it. For 40 years I live at Catchinall. I first this ever happened. 40 years I live here. I live in a Catchinall before the light post, light wire run. And my father I live in a Strand Street and get the capture. I don't know Dr. Chang them. When carry us when I live at CLM when they use parish council truck and move we carry a Strand Street. Then we move from Strand Street and come over here. Well, I would never expect something like this. Look at a pear tree used to there so to keep the school picking them cool, you know. Pear tree used to there so. See there? Michelle shop that exists no more. Mash right down. Yeah. I tell you. A fresh drop, fresh start, new start. This can't be real. Yeah man. It can't be real. So look, it's a film shop there. MFC. Yeah, half fight gone. No man, upon the house stuff we cook a lighter. This if you come black it up. Right now, we are put up a TikTok challenge. Any man we can cook on the house stuff right now. Let we have it. Yeah, last night we have jerk chicken and fries last night. The night before fried fish, fried chicken, rice and peas. Yeah, mommy, blessed mommy. Yeah, man, I tell you, see there, Michelle shop only one little tiny piece of zinc left on. Yeah. As I said, we are look help. My number 517 9868. Anything you don't have, just reach out to me. Anything. Yeah. Yeah man. See there? The jerk pan, the tree drop down on the jerk on the cave under. Why? But thank God for Wendy. As Wendy give me a fresh start, but the breeze blow away everything.
I forgot get a boot, bro.
Yeah, we go need a water.
Get
Just
back in
tomorrow,
the
I take your advice and get a socks.
You better.
But as I put on this stuff, I feel way better, brother.
I don't think I want to pull out.
Oh.
You see, I can lean them up as I want to start back my business, you know, bro. Oh God, thank God. Yo, Brett, me I tell everybody say, boy, me have a big up Wendy, you know. Me
Yeah,
nah,
if you didn't do back, what?
yo,
Where I come if you come now?
if we didn't do it back over. Oh,
Aye.
that's in love with garbage. We not beat him. He just self him for the beard. He don't want a beard.
If you didn't do back recently.
He shell down,
yeah,
man.
gone for good, man.
Gone, man. And well, if I board up on the right now. But the top is the boss.